Hello, this is just a short video showing the magnets I recently created. I used oven-baked clay, burlap fabric that I cut into small pieces for the moss you see here on this mushroom magnet, and later on you'll see that I cut them up into little strips on the bird's nest magnet I created. I also used glue, acrylic paints, and repurposed wine corks that my friends gave me. I want to ease back into creating videos with something simple before I film any tutorial videos explaining how I put together these magnets. The tutorial videos are going to be out this February, and I'm excited to show y'all, starting with the sculpting process with some clay. And then we'll go from there. I'll show you how I put them on these little corks, and it'll be fun, and I will see y'all then. Bye.